When you're keeping the brick, don't keep the foot together. A little bit apart, not that much also. Okay? If you keep the foot together, the tendency of you falling down is high. Or the probability of you falling down is high. Now stretch the hands. Extend the fingers. Now lean forward halfway. On all of your hands and the chest parallel to the floor. Now move the hands down. The entire palm should touch.
Okay.
Likho. If you can't touch both of the hands simultaneously, start with one hand. Get two more. Stay there. Press the palms to the sides of the brick. Kavita, two more. Get up. Keep two more. Yeah. Stay there. Nahi unuva. Stay. ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು. Leg straight. Last 1 minute. Stay there. Get two more. Touch the tip of the fingers. ನೀವು ಸಾಕು. ನಾನು ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇ ದೇರ್. ನಾನು ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 30 seconds. Start with one hand. Push one hand down. Okay. Okay, come up. Okay, come down. See the last, whichever, the one you're going to keep on top, it has to be like this. Not like this. You have to keep it horizontal. Only then you'll get a proper grip. The ones you have kept, the tendency of you going, the probability of you going to fall is high. Let the top one be horizontal. Those who've been using 2 bricks, get 2 more. It's okay even if you're not able to do, at least let the hands go down. And Nisako. If there are no breaks, it's okay. Come, do how much ever you can. ನೀವು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Go down once again. This time you got to stay for 1.5 minutes. No one is going to come up until I tell. You start by at least touching the fingers of one hand. ಎರಡು ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎರಡು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಧಾನ ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? Stay there. Yeah, touch the tip of the fingers. ಏನು ಹರಟೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Move the palms down. ಸಾಕು. ನೀತಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೈ ಮುಟ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ. ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ. ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಬಿದೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್. Drop the hands. Enough. Lie down. Shavasana.